Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Dimples. I am an editor, an artist, and I do model sometimes. So if you like digital art or just behind the scenes of just me doing my self-portraits or even just creative ideas, then you're in the right place because I do upload weekly. I'm doing pretty good with uploading, so I can actually say that. But anyway, today's look is just going to be, I don't know, whatever I want it to be because I didn't get that far. So we're just going to just wing it today because I really don't know what I'm going to do for my makeup. But we are going to start with a base thing. Primer. With the primer. With the primer. You guys can't see it because I have such good lighting today. I'm dropping everything. Anyway. From Milani, it's a Prime Perfection, and a lot of you guys do know I do like matte on my face quite a bit because I just don't like oily stuff. I don't really like my skin to be oily, and this really gets oily the most out of like anything on my face, which is my T-zone. If you guys didn't know, T-zone. I know a lot of people probably don't even know T-zone. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm about to be doing a voiceover. Wait, what's that face that they do on TikTok? Wait, it's like eyebrows, squint. Who created that? Like, isn't that the light skin face? I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I cannot do this anymore. I just can't.
Now, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix. Now, I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my Lexus cool. That's why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to a hotel. Must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that, and let me get that. Running hard through my fro, bouncing between the foes. While they stand on the bed, ignition is hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got everything in here with. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. I'm a rolling that body, got every man in here with. It's been smoking rum. I'm like the water drunk. It's the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun. I'm like the water drunk. It's the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh it. I'm a that body, every smoking rum. I'm like the water drunk. It's the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun.
Ladies like murder, she rolled. Once I get you out and close, privacy's on the door. Feel the heat screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping and wishing. I'm about to take my key and stick it in the ignition. So give me that. Let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing when it falls. While this hands on the radio. Stop walking in the streets, navigate. We got food everywhere. Body was cake. Promise to my back, is on my body. We play them both together. We got chicken all night. Yeah, I know the show is the party. Yeah, the party is the party. Yeah, I'm about to rock. Yeah, to rock. Yeah, get to you feeling. Can I get her? Can I get her? Can I get her? Can I get her?
I'm like the water drunk. It's the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh it.
Okay, so my thoughts right now. Yo, this contouring is a little bit different than what I'm used to, but it's fine. But I'm about to do this pattern on my eye. I'm going to try it too, but first I gotta put some brown on to put like a base, and then I do want to put on some liner. I already have it in my hand, so do like a wing liner as well, and then do this. So give me just a second. I'm going to sauce up my eyes, and then I'm going to make a TikTok, or finish the TikTok that I started. Then yeah, bam, yup.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, but no one can control. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know us. Hey, fast money don't slow, but no one can control. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it good, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No, no. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, but no one can control. No, no, back to pay.
Okay, so this is actually the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you're already here, so you might as well do that. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and everything that I did use will be in the description box, and also my TikTok will be there, and I will be re-uploading my merch pretty soon. I'm going to put it away for a little bit. I'm going to focus on other stuff and get other things in order before I can even launch all over again. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.